Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. We just installed an air horn, basically a semi-truck horn on our car. And if you want step-by-step guidance on how to install that video link is scrolling above. But in today's video, all we're gonna show you is what it sounds like close up and far away. Let's go outside and take a look. All right, DIYers outside of the vehicle, this is our Toyota Camry. Let's go inside the engine compartment and behind the bumper. And right inside here, you can see our semi-truck horn. And as you can see, there's the opposite side, and on the very bottom you can see the air hose coming out, and it feeds all the way up to the pump, as you can see here. And again, in this video we are going to give you a close distance honk and a long distance honk. And the very first close-up honk, it'll be about 100 feet away, and the second one we will honk at about a quarter-mile away. However, I'll give you a quick little honk or two. Very loud. All right, DIYers, in front of us is my dad's Chevy Malibu, and the way we positioned it in his Malibu is right there. Check that out. He had a perfect spot for it to be drilled and secured to the frame there. What do you think? Let's go ahead and honk it. Pretty neat. All closed up. I love this car. DIYers, that is it. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. One more thing you might like. I've got a 91 Z24 Cavalier up on skates or roller casters, and this vehicle has a dead engine and a rear seized wheel. Impossible to move without those caster wheels or skates. And if you get a car, whether it's in this condition or a classic car that you just want off the ground and on skates that you can maneuver or push around with the engine off, definitely check out the link scrolling above. We'll show you how to build those and what it took to get this on those skates. Thanks again for watching.